There we go, that is our chicken and lentil coconut curry. That is superb, just look at that. Wow. Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to do a fantastic, easy one pot curry. We're going to make chicken lentil coconut curry. It's very easy, very tasty, very enjoyable. Whether you eat it with a naan, a roti, rice, anything, or just out of the bowl with some bread and butter. Oh, right, come on, let's crack on and do it. In the pan we want a little bit of oil. So your blob of oil in there. Now you can use ghee, you can use anything you have at hand. And coconut milk for me today is a Roy D, my favorite brand of coconut milk. I will tell you right now, I love the stuff. You know, if you can buy fresh like we can, not a problem, but that coconut milk has it all, does it all. So we want to be getting a little flame on under here. Now we're not going absolutely crazy with this. In there with our onions. A nice little sizzle whizzle on there. Little tad of salt going in there with those onions. Bring out some moisture. Fabulous. Now in the recipe I'll have grated ginger, minced up garlic. This is garlic ginger paste. It is homemade, it's equal parts ginger and garlic blended up with a little bit of water and oil. Or you can buy it. A nice little cook in there. Just take that rawness out as usual. We don't want that horrible rawness in here. Now it is a very quick, easy curry this. There's not any messing about actually. Because it's going to cook covered. So the lentils and everything cook in here. So it's fabulous. Right, we got a bundle of spices. Get them in. Little bloom in there with those onions. And that garlic ginger paste. Now don't have your flame too high for the spices. We don't want to burn them. We just want to bloom them and bring out those natural oils. Now we don't have to go any length of time as such on this, because we're going to chuck our chicken in there and we're going to cook the chicken in there with the spices. So it's a fairly dry pan at the moment, look. Now the Western way is to chuck everything in there. The Asian way is to build up the flavour profile. So if I just go in there with a little bit of coconut milk and we just cook that in there gently. Let that bloom in there with those spices and that chicken. The oils are going to come out of that little bit of coconut milk we've got going on. Fabulous. Look at that. See, everybody rushes and everything with a curry, but there is no need to rush. It's nice and steady, you know. I've got some green chili. That's going in there. Now, this chili is not spicy as such. It's just for colour. Have a little bit of colour in there. I've got a tin of tomatoes here, so we'll just chuck in the juice for now. I'm not using tomato puree for this one. We want a nice sort of mild-ish flavoured, tomato flavoured, but not overpowering with tomatoes. We are going to put the tin tomatoes in, but just get that juice in there first. And then all we're going to do is take a pair of scissors and just chop those up in the tin to save all the mess everywhere. Now, if you had chopped tomatoes, you ain't doing this, but I prefer whole as opposed to chopped. You don't know what those chopped tomatoes are. These, at least these are whole plum tomatoes. So a little stir through there, look. So we got some tomato going on. That looks sensational already. Just give that a little minute in there. Building up quite nice. So we got this beautiful curry coming on there, look. In there, the rest of our coconut milk. Nice little stir through. Now it's going to look like there's a lot of fluid in here in a minute, but I assure you there isn't. Chicken stock. In there, our lentils. Now these lentils have been rinsed, that's why they're all stuck together. Now there's nothing flash about this curry, it's a bog standard curry. You know, it's got lovely flavours going to come together in here with the coconut milk and everything. The lentils are going to absorb quite a lot of that. Now we're going to bring this up to a simmer. I'm going to bob a lid on and we're going to cook it for about 25 minutes. Now within that 25 minutes, you've got to keep coming along and giving it a little stir. Because if you don't, the lentils will sink to the bottom of the pan and they will stick. So it's coming up to a simmer. Grab yourself a lid, cover it, simmer for 25 minutes. Like we say, within that 25 minutes, keep coming along, giving it a stir. Look, you can see all the lentils are already on the bottom. Nice and steady. Okay, when you've had about 25 minutes, it's started to reduce. Now it is going to be a fairly loose, saucy curry. You know, you could have cooked it down a lot more if you want to, but that's enough. Lid off. We're just going to give it 5 minutes without the lid on. I'm going to chuck some coriander in here, dust over the top with some garam masala, and we're serving up. That's looking super. How easy is that? We haven't done anything, have we? Going to go in there with some coriander and we'll save some just to chuck on the dinner. A little dusting of garam masala on the top of there. A little serving in. So just stir it in and we serve up. Come on, some of that beautiful coconut curry in there. Coconut and lentils, just look at that. And a little bit of chopped coriander. Look at that. There we go, that is our chicken and lentil coconut curry. That is superb, just look at that. Wow. Come on. Come on, let's get in here. Look at this chicken. This chicken is so tender. Look at that, perfectly cooked. Oh, superb. Wow, it's red hot. That is sensational. What a fantastic creamy coconut curry. You got all those lentils through there, nice and soft, just a tiny bit of texture. Oh, that gives a body to it, it's superb. We got little bite-sized pieces of chicken, you know, we didn't go big on this. That is off the charts. That is beautiful. What a beautiful curry. No curry recipe as such. We're not following a standard Indian curry or anything like that. It is superb. There's a right amount of sweetness in there coming off those tomatoes. That is absolutely sensational. Get that with a garlic naan. Oh man. That is delicious. That is a fantastic curry right there. So there you go. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make a chicken and lentil coconut curry. It's so simple, you know, and you up the spice or down the spice, whatever you like. Oh, come on. It's delicious. Big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. Brilliant. Hey, are you back again? Are you? Hey, hello, Sneaky. Hello, beautiful. Oh, there you are. Oh, there you are. Hello. Hello, you. Oh, what is it? Do you want curry? Hey, do you want curry? Do you? You are just so beautiful, you are, you? Eh? Yes, you are. What are you doing? Oh, hello. Hello, come here. Come here, you. Hey, what about that then? Hey, what's up here? Huh? Well, what about that? Oh, you are a softie, you, aren't you? Hey, you a softie. What's up here? We're having curry. We're making a curry. Huh? Chicken. I won't put you in the pan. No? Oh, you're my mate, you, aren't you? Hey, oh, blimey. What a baby. I'm surrounded by babies. Hey, are you lovely? Huh? Are you lovely, you? Hey, what is it, Tommy lad? Oh, hello. Hello. We're going to go get something to eat then, are we? Oh no, what you doing? Hey, I want to get washed now. I want to get washed. Yo, sausage. Hello. Hello. Hello, you. Hey, I've got to get washed now. Hey, I've got to get washed now. You are just a sausage, you are. Aren't you? Hey? Aren't you? Hey, we're going to give up. Oh, I have to look after everyone, don't I? Hey? Ah, you're beautiful. Come on. I think we need to go.